Today, I'm serving up the perfect 4th of July dessert, and it's filled with fresh, summery berry flavors that'll be sure to give you fireworks of flavor in every bite. I'm making a Patriotic Poke Cake. So for the cake batter, you'll need white cake mix, water, sour cream. This really helps to make the cake moist, vegetable oil, and eggs. For the filling, you'll need a package of raspberry and berry blue Jello. And to make the frosting, you'll need cream cheese, sugar, and Cool Whip. To get started, I'm going to preheat the oven to 350 degrees and spray a 9 by 13 inch pan with cooking spray. Then in a large bowl, stir in all of the cake ingredients until well combined. Pour the mixture into the prepared pan and cook according to the box directions. All right, the cake is done. We'll need to let it cool. So while we wait, let's go ahead and make the Jello. I have 2 cups of boiling water here, and I'm going to mix each package of Jello with 1 cup of hot water. Give it a stir and then add a half a cup of cold water. Our cake is cool, so let's create the holes for the poke effect using a butter knife. And as you can see, I'm making the holes 1 inch apart. All right, time to fill the holes with the Jello. For this, I'm using a child medical dispenser. Seems weird, but this makes it much easier to disperse, and it keeps the colors from bleeding into each other. Be sure to alternate between the red and the blue so that the color effect will be spot on. Next, cover the cake and back into the fridge it goes for at least an hour. Let me show you how simple and easy the frosting is. In a bowl, add the cream cheese, sugar, and the Cool Whip, and then blend with an electric or hand mixer, and that's it. Spread evenly over the cake. You can serve immediately, or you can add some toppings. Feel free to add whatever you like. Some strawberries, blackberries, or even some patriotic sprinkles. Trust me, you'll have the family coming back for more of this delicious and summery dessert. Happy 4th, you enjoy, and I will see you next time on Fresh Dish Foodie.